I'm here in the East Cambie neighborhood of Richmond, BC. This is a home that's perfect for families. This is something that's been incredibly well maintained. You have to see this home. Let's go take a look. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome offers nearly 1,500 square feet of well-designed living space. The main level is bright, open, and made for everyday comfort or entertaining. The kitchen is spacious and practical, with plenty of storage and a great flow into the dining area. You've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, including a generous primary with ensuite, plus a 4th bedroom on the ground floor, perfect for guests, a home office, or extra income. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or just unwinding with a glass of wine, this back patio is quite inviting. You're right along the trail, perfect for walking the dog, and in a great school catchment, as well as a very family-friendly neighborhood. This home has been loved by one family and it's ready for the next. So if you'd like to see it, please don't hesitate to reach out.